Welcome to the hand exercising, dancing, acrobating, and also handshaking and saying hello. So, our first lesson is aisatsu. Well, when I translate it in English, it's greetings. Our first lesson is greetings. First, you see, here's a hand. Put this way, here. And another one. And another one, and do it the same. And then move your thumb. No. Well, don't do it like this. It's like this. And the other one too. And then they're both saying hello. Try it by yourself. Good. Now. And now, next one is how are you? So, first, here's a hand. Sideways, then put this thumb on its chest, like number 4, like this, which is doing like this. It's how, and then, which we do it like this, they do it like this. The other one too. Next is I'm great. You know, like how are you then? And I'm great, I'm sleepy. I'm sick. I'm not so good. Let's try those. First is I'm great. Which is this, and well, if you use it for this, it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be like bye-bye. This is bye-bye. So it's very difficult to use, but we use the pinky instead. With a little bit of front, like that. The other one too. And then they're saying I'm great. Next is sleepy. Sleepy is very difficult to use, but if you do it like this, it's so difficult, so I created like this. It's like number 4, but you don't do it like this. You do it like this. It's just like, I don't know, but it's like I'm sleepy. Like I'm sleepy. Let's try it together. I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. And next is I'm sick. I'm sick. Well, lots of people do it like this. I'm sick. But hands do it like this. I'm sick. Let's try it together. I'm sick. Let's try another one too. I'm sick. And then the next lesson is what is your favorite color? When you're asking a question, question, and people do it like this. What is your favorite color? In Japan, you can do that into what is your favorite color? But hands do it like this. What is your favorite color? Like this. What is your favorite color? Let's try together. Like number 3. What is your favorite color? Well, it goes like this. What is your favorite color? Let's try it together. What is your favorite color? And if you can try answering your favorite color, and then if you're gonna answer it, my favorite color is, well, we all use both hands. This is yellow. This is orange. So people do it like this. Well, if the pinky was up, this means yellow. If the thumb was up high, that means this is yellow. So let's try it. My favorite color is orange. Let's try it together. My favorite color is orange. Let's try yellow. My favorite color is yellow. So the next lesson is, what is your favorite game? Ooh, that's difficult. Do you know board games? Of course you know board games. Well, now the left hand is going to ask a question. What is your favorite board game? If you just say game, the answering people is not going to know which game it is, programming or board game. So you had to say, what is your favorite board game? Like before, what is your favorite board game? The answering is, my favorite board game is Catan. Got it? Now let's use this question and answer. What is your favorite board game? My favorite board game is Catan. Let's do it again. Let's try it. What is your favorite board game? My favorite board game is Catan. Thank you very much. Let's try this again.